Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use AI to generate scroll stopping headlines for your Facebook ads so you can get a higher click-through and conversion rate with your Facebook ad campaigns. Right, so in this example we're gonna use the Jasper AI software to be able to generate well converting Facebook ad headlines. And if you are new to Jasper AI, you can start using Jasper AI for free using the free trial link in the description below. And with that link, you're going to be able to use Jasper AI for free for 5 days. And once you have signed up for Jasper AI, on the left, you're going to click on templates here and search for Facebook here. And as you can see, they have 2 templates that are pre-trained templates. So they are very good at creating Facebook ad headlines and Facebook ad primary text. I have a separate tutorial on this one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate Facebook ad headlines using AI. So in this case, let's click on this one. And then what we have to do is add some general inputs here that Jasper AI will use then to create very creative and well converting Facebook ad headlines that will make people to stop scrolling on Facebook. So first we have to add a company or product name. Let's add in this example Monday.com, which is a very popular CRM and project management system. Then you have to add a product description. So Jasper AI can learn what this product is all about. Then you have to add a tone of voice. Let's say I want to have expert as a tone of voice. And I also added some Facebook ad headlines examples here. So you can grab your existing Facebook ad headlines you have already used. So this will help Jasper AI generate even better Facebook ad headlines. Then at the bottom of this page, as you can see, you can select how many outputs you want Jasper AI to generate. Then click on generate here, wait a couple of seconds, and they will come up with some headlines here. As you can see, instead of just focusing on the try out free, Jasper AI has come up with some benefits here. So get organized and increase productivity with Monday.com, or Monday.com make your life easier. So I think these are really good Facebook ad headlines. And using these and the Facebook ad copy I have showed in the other tutorial, you're gonna be able to generate really well converting Facebook ad copy and headlines that will also make people stop scrolling on Facebook and click on your Facebook ads. So as I mentioned, if you like this example, you can grab a 5-day free trial of Jasper in the description below. And I also have a ton of other tutorials on how to use Jasper AI.